Hi, I'm Leslie Meredith with Breakbulk. I have Ronald from Kestrel Liner Services. Is that right?
That's correct.
Okay. He has joined us from Long Beach, and he's here taking the Project Freight Management course. Ronald, what is the most important thing you've learned today?
Well, I've learned that the cheap can cost a lot of money, and how important it is to get together with the project managers and both sides, from the supplier and the shipper, to understand exactly how the scope of the project is and put together a plan that's going to be a win-win situation.
I have Claudia from Blue Water Shipping.
I've been working in projects, and I just have to agree with Peter, which what he was saying about not every project is the same. He's trying to give out a lot of everything that we need to look into a project. The price is not always the most important thing. So you don't want to be the cheapest. You want to know what the project really entails so you can provide a solution.
I have O'Shane from Uvasol.
The most important thing was the project planning and how it is important to consider your risk when moving heavy cargo. So certainly that is the greatest takeaway that I have had from the course.
I have Stone with me here from Aqua Dragon Logistics, who's traveled all the way from Shanghai to join us here at Breakbulk Americas in Houston.
I think it's just like the coach says, and the cheap is sometimes is the most expensive. And that is what I'm thinking for years when I'm practicing in the project management. I always feel that because when you are trying to be cheap, then you have to pay more time and all money on the projects. So I totally agree with the concept that cheap is expensive.
I like that. Cheap is expensive.
Yes.
That's right. I liked the diagram that Peter put up that had that you can only pick two: good, fast, cheap.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah. And it's a great, Peter is a great instructor, and I think that illustrates a lot what I'm talking about. You can't really have cheap and expect success in the fast deliveries and how one affects the other.
Claudia, how has your experience been so far?
It's been great. It's a very good environment. A lot of service providers, but also a lot of shippers. So it gives you the opportunity to learn and know all the perspectives.
You are taking the Project Freight Management course today.
Yes.
Tell me why you signed up for that course.
Well, we are freight forwarders and we do project work. And I wanted to get the shipper's perspective on what they should be telling us what to do.
And are you getting it?
I'm getting it, and I'm interested in asking some questions later and seeing what we can put together, because we do help our customers arrange with their project work.
Tell me why you and your company, Aqua Dragon, came all the way to Houston for this event.
First is that I'm trying to understand more about the project world. I'm trying to learn something new. Today I learned that from the coach. He's working in ABB and project freight for the side, and he gives a lot of hints how to do the project logistics from the shipper's perspective and also from the project freight forwarder perspective. That is quite useful for us. So from this teacher, and I can use it in my future operation.